Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best trifold tonneau covers you can buy right now. If you're looking for the perfect cover for your truck bed, we've got you covered, literally. We'll break down each product's features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice for your needs. As always, product links will be in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover for the 2017 to 2025 Honda Ridgeline. This cover is a solid choice for Ridgeline owners looking for an easy-to-install, durable option. Constructed with heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and supported by aircraft-grade aluminum frames, it offers a fantastic balance between durability and portability. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide extra strength and ensure that the cover folds away neatly when you need full bed access. In terms of design, the Tyger Auto T3 shines with its sleek, low-profile look. It's weather-resistant, tear-resistant, and designed to handle the elements. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any drilling. Just follow the included instructions and you're good to go. However, if your truck bed has an over-the-bed rail liner, you may need to make small modifications. The limited lifetime warranty is another big win, offering peace of mind for long-term use. That said, it ranks 5th because it's slightly less versatile than some of the other options on this list, given its narrower compatibility with specific truck models. Additionally, while it's highly durable, it may not offer the same level of ruggedness as hard tonneau covers. If you're a Honda Ridgeline owner looking for a reliable, easy-to-use cover, this is a great pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the X-Tweaks FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover for the 2023 to 2025 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. This hard trifold option stands out for its premium fiberglass reinforced polymer honeycomb panels, offering exceptional durability and the ability to support up to 350 pounds of weight. If you need a cover that can handle heavy-duty use while protecting your truck bed from snow, rain, and debris, this one's for you. Its matte black finish gives it a rugged yet stylish appearance, and it's designed to be scratch-resistant and impact-resistant. Installation is a breeze thanks to the no-drill mounting hardware included in the box. The cover's high compressive strength ensures it performs well under extreme conditions, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts or anyone dealing with harsh weather. The downside? It's heavier than SART covers, weighing in at 54 pounds, which might make it a little cumbersome to install or remove for some users. Additionally, it's tailored to a specific set of vehicles, so it's less versatile. Still, if you own a compatible truck and value strength and durability, the X-Tweaks is an excellent choice. In 3rd place, we have another Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Cover, this time for the 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. Like its sibling, this model features heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum frames for a durable yet lightweight design. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars make setup quick and easy, while allowing the cover to fold neatly when you need full bed access. The T3's compatibility is a highlight here, designed specifically for the new body style of the Silverado and Sierra. However, it's worth noting that it's not compatible with models equipped with a Carbon Pro bed or factory side storage boxes. Additionally, the cover may interfere with power tailgate systems, so double-check your truck specs before purchasing. What sets this version apart is its stellar 4.7-star rating from over 6,300 reviews, proof that customers love it. Its limited lifetime warranty is another big plus. While it doesn't offer the ruggedness of a hard cover, it's a fantastic option for those who prioritize convenience, weather resistance, and lightweight durability. Our runner-up is the Tomoka Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover, designed for the 2004 to 2025 Ford F-150 and the 2006 to 2014 Lincoln Mark LT. Made from double-layer PVC, this cover offers excellent UV protection and tensile strength, making it a great choice for all-weather use. The pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps make installation a breeze. No drilling required. What sets the Tomoka apart is its attention to detail. It features double waterproof strips and specially designed support rods to keep water, snow, and dust out of your truck bed. The latching system ensures the cover stays securely in place even at high speeds. It's also one of the highest-rated covers on our list, boasting an impressive 4.9-star rating from satisfied customers. The only downside, its focus on compatibility with Ford and Lincoln models means it's less versatile than some other options. But if you own a compatible truck, the Tomoka offers unbeatable value for its combination of quality, performance, and ease of use. Finally, taking the top spot is the Tyger Auto T3 soft trifold cover for the 2002 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and other models through 2025. This cover is the gold standard for soft trifold tonneau covers, offering a perfect blend of durability, ease of use, and compatibility. Made from 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and supported by aircraft-grade aluminum frames, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions while remaining lightweight. The T3's standout feature is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of Dodge Ram models and offers a straightforward, no-drill installation process. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide excellent support and fold up easily when you need full access to your truck bed. With a 4.6-star rating from over 19,000 reviews, it's clear that this cover is a favorite among truck owners. The only minor drawback is that it requires small modifications for trucks with over-the-bed rail liners, but this is a minor inconvenience given its overall performance. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality tonneau cover, the Tyger Auto T3 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys! I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect tonneau cover. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about the products we covered today, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.